let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot gold level routine with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same slow Foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step, and dance feather step. Third step is outside partner. We continue with bounce Fallaway, with weave ending. 3-step. Now the second step for man is heel toe. Natural hover telemark, notice lady's heel turn. We continue with Fallaway reverse slip pivot and open telemark with lady's heel turn. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to center, preparation step, and we dance feather step moving diagonally to center. Then down line of dance, bounce Fallaway, weave ending, which we finish diagonally to wall. In same direction we continue with 3-step. At a corner we dance natural hover telemark, which we finish diagonally to center in new line of dance, Fallaway reverse slip pivot, down line of dance, and open telemark with lady's heel turn, and we finish diagonally into corner.
Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.